Welcome into this video where we're going to be looking at the AI tool Vera from Dubb that's going to be used in a scenario where you don't want to be on camera and you don't want to use your voice for whatever those reasons may be. We have an answer for you that will be much more impactful than just sending a text-based communication. Let's dive in. To use text to video, here we are in the Dubb dashboard, and we are going to go to the Quick Actions menu right now in the middle of the dashboard, which I am scrolling across right now. We're going to find text to video, there it is, and we're going to click on that. That will bring us to this page here where you can give the title right here. You can add your script below it. Below there you can choose a voice from the selection here. You can play the voice to see how you like it. You can also download the audio itself if you'd like to use that somewhere else. You can upload the video, you can download the video, and you can preview what this is going to look like. Now you also have to upload a photo over here to the right side of this here. Now the whole idea behind text to video is you don't want to be on camera, you don't want to use your own voice, whatever the reasons may be, and you want something a little bit more impactful than a text message. That's what this can provide. So you're going to select a photo over here. I have it as just my headshot, but it can be any photo that you like. You have your voice selected, and now I'm going to click the preview button down to the bottom left, and we're going to see what the voice sounds like, and we're going to see a slight waveform action come across the screen as we click preview.
Dubb Text to Video is a groundbreaking new technology powered by Vera from Dubb.
So that's what that would look like. Now, not being able to be on camera, not being able to use your voice, I think those are two of the most powerful things is when you can do that. But if you can't do that, and again, you want something just more meaningful than just a text-based message, think about uploading a photo, think about having an AI voice, and when you send this video out to someone, they will see the image with the waveform action repeating itself, because as a reminder, when you send a Dubb video, it is a 3-second repeating GIF of the beginning of that video, and that's what this would look like. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you at the next one.